Hello friends, welcome back. Look at this question. KCSE 2016, question 18. The three business partners Aisha. You have Aisha, Nagila, and Cherop. Contributed 60,000, 85,000, and 105,000 respectively. They agreed that 25% of the profit back into the business. So to be brought back into the business, we have 25%. Then they also agreed to put aside 40% of the remainder. This one is the keyword, 40% of the remainder. So what is left from 25? It is 100 minus 25. That is 75. So therefore 40% of 75, it is 40 over 100 times 75%. Therefore 30% for the taxes and insurance. Insurance would be 30%. Then the rest, so the rest will be 100 minus 30 minus 25. Therefore the remaining one, it is 45%. So you are told that this, or the rest that is remaining, will be shared in the ratio of contribution. So to find the ratio of the contribution, we are going to simplify this number here with the biggest number. Therefore, let us divide it first by 1,000 to have 60, 85, 105. I realize that still 5 can divide them. So if you divide 60 by 5, I have here 12. Then 85 divided by 5, we have 17. And 105 divided by 5, that is 21. Because this ratio cannot be simplified further, therefore that is the ratio of contribution. And the total ratio here becomes 12 plus 17 plus 21, that is 50. That is the total ratio. So let us look at what they're asking here. At the end of the first year, the business released a gross profit of 225,000. Calculate the amount of money Cherop received more than Aisha at the end of the year. So if you look at the ratio of Cherop is 21 ratio, and Aisha is 12. Therefore, the difference in ratio, is 21 minus 12. So if you have 21 minus 12, that's 9. Therefore, to calculate the amount that Cherop received more than Aisha, we are going to take 9 over the total ratio, which is 50, times the amount that they are supposed to be sharing in the ratio of contribution, which is the rest remaining. That is 45%, therefore 45 of 100 times the profit that has been released. Therefore, our answer there takes to be Kenyan shillings 18,225 for 5 marks. Then we look at the next part. Nagila further invested. So we have Nagila here. We don't know what Nagila had. Look at Nagila. Initially it was 85,000, but is adding more of 25,000. Therefore, if we find the sum, now we find that Nagila's new contributions toward the project will be 110,000. Therefore, if I'm writing the ratios comparing Aisha, Nagila, and Cherop, will be Aisha still on 60,000. The new for Nagila, it is 110,000, and Cherop 105,000. So if we want to find the ratio, we have said first we take away out the bigger numbers. So if I divide by 1,000, I'm going to have that. Then I have 60 divided by 5. This is 12. 110 divided by 5. This is 22. Then 105 divided by 5 is 21. So this number cannot be divisible further. We just add the total ratios. But the total ratio, it is now 55. Therefore, you are told, given that the gross profit at the end of the second year increased, so the profit increased in the ratio 10 is to 9. Therefore, the new profit will be 10 over 9 times the initial profit that we had here as 22,500. So if I do that calculation, 10 over 9 into 5, we're going to have the new profit to be 250,000. So this is the new profit for the next year, the second year. So they are asking you to calculate Nagila shares. So to find Nagila shares, Nagila had a ratio of 25 over 100 times, remember what is supposed to be shared in the ratio of contribution is 45%. Therefore we have 45% times 250,000, and by doing that calculation as Kenyan shillings 24,750. So that is how the question is supposed to be tackled. This is commercial arithmetic 1 under ratios in form 1. In case of any question, write it down on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.